Hi folks, my name is Tom Sladky and I'm from Richardson Motors in Dubuque, Iowa. Today we're going to talk about a couple of really cool safety features on a 2018 Honda CR-V. They're called Lane Keep Assist and Adaptive Cruise Control. Now, for these systems to work properly, you have to be going between speeds of over 45 miles an hour and less than 90 miles an hour. So what happens is when we activate them, it's going to keep the vehicle in the lane, proper lane. So if you're going around a short curve or something like that, it's going to gradually nudge the steering wheel back to keep you in line. Also, it's going to adapt to the speed of the vehicle in front of you. So if you set your speed at 65 miles an hour and there's a guy in front of you that's going 50 miles an hour, the vehicle will automatically slow down with you ever not having to touch the brake. Okay, so there's basically three buttons on the right hand of the steering wheel that we're going to be concentrating on. The first one is the main button right here. When I press the main button, what happens is the adaptive cruise light and the LKAS or lane keep assist system activates. So that means that's on. Next thing I'm going to do is activate the lane keep assist button, which is this one right here with the steering wheel with the little lines on it. So if I press that, you'll see the lines come on between the ACC and the LKAS. The third thing we're going to do is press this button, which is the gap of the vehicle we're following in front. So once I press that button, you can see you can close the gap. You can do it far, medium, or short distances. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go out on the highway, so I can kind of show you how this really cool feature works. Okay. So now we're actually out on the highway. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit the main button again, which activates the adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. I want to get the lane markings by pressing that second button right there, which activates the lane markings right here. I want to actually set my speed on my cruise control at 65 miles an hour, which I'm doing now, okay? And that's going to adjust to the speed of the vehicle in front of me. And as I start to drift out of my lane, what happens is the steering wheel shakes and gently nudges me back into the center of the lane, which is really cool. Now it picked up the vehicle in front of us. I've got my speed set at 65 miles an hour, but he's only doing 60 miles an hour. I don't have my foot on the brake or the accelerator, and the vehicle's actually adapting to the speed of the vehicle in front. So again, as I drift out of my lane, the steering wheel gently shakes a little bit and then steers me right back in the center of the lane. So pretty cool feature. So I hope you enjoyed our video today, folks, and have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or Richardson Motors in Dubuque, Iowa. Have a pleasant day, and thanks again for watching.